So hey everybody, what's going on? My name is Terry. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys and gals are doing well. Now, I've been avoiding talking about this because frankly, I just haven't had a lot of time to sit down and watch this, but a few days or so ago, like 3 days or so ago now, Adobe had their, sneak peek preview event for all the up and coming features they're working on with all their software and how they're going to be using new AI tools and how they're developing their own in-house stuff. And well, there's about a 5-minute video here. We're going to do a little live reaction here too, because I heard it's like mind blowing. So let's just fire up the desktop capture here and let's see what this is, shall we? Let's check it out.
Off with our very first sneak. We have Project Fast Fill by Gabriel Huang.
Woo! Yeah, woo! Oh no.
All right.
Okay, got a picture there or something?
Thank you. Let's get started. So I'm editing content for this project that I'm working on. Look at this stunning portrait shot. Beautiful smell.
It is a beautiful shot. Love the colors. I like her hair.
The people in the background are a bit distracting. No worries. I know how to fix this, right? Let's use Generative Fill to remove them.
Okay.
To start, I just need to simply draw.
For the record here, Generative Fill for the erasing stuff in Photoshop is a legit game changer, and the person who came up with the way to do that, you deserve a raise. I'm just saying.
A mask around these people, all right? Okay, cool. And then I just need to hit the generate button. The AI will do all the work for me. All right, let's
just like get rid of it and give you some choices, I think, right? At least that's the way it works in Photoshop, so.
Go.
Okay, yeah, okay, same thing. Okay, that's cool, yeah. Like, it really is mind-blowing to me. It looks so good, it really does.
I got blown away. So, look at the choices I got, all right? All right, I think this one looks good. Well, I believe you have seen this before, right? You can use generative AI to assist you with image editing. What is the surprise here? Well, what if I tell you this is not a photo? This is actually a video. Look.
Wait, what?
Oh my gosh!
What?
All right.
Okay, Adobe, if you keep this up, I might switch back to y'all. That's insane.
This is Project Fast Fill. See, using Fast Fill, you can edit your video as easy as editing a photo. Look, I just edited this one single frame, and the result is being applied to each individual frames. All right.
Okay, so what it does is that I guess you tell it what you want to erase with the Generative Fill tool, and then it analyzes the placement of what you replaced in each individual frame, and that's how it intelligently masks it all out. Like each frame. Oh my god.
I know. Okay, hold on. Let me play this again, right? I can simply turn off and then turn back on the edits.
That is absolutely insane.
All right, thanks.
That is...
Okay, cool. All right.
I'm gonna pause it here because I just wonder if you could do that with like a hand or something moving in frame. Like if you're like, so yeah, hey everybody, what's going on, yada yada yada. I wonder if you can like cut around moving body parts at the same time. You know what I mean? That would be really cool.
This one looks pretty good. Let's move on to the next clip.
Now, that one was really good, Gabriel.
I got more for you. I got more for you.
All right.
All right. So let's look at this gentleman walking very confidently in front of the camera.
Strutting.
But
I like the suit.
But I feel like there's something missing. Where is his tie? Let's give him a tie using Generative Fill. So.
If you're about to tell me you're about to put a tie on this guy.
Again, simply draw a mask around the collar.
No way.
All right. Okay. This time, let's give Generative Fill a text.
Okay, like this here makes sense because it's a still frame.
Again, the AI is doing all the hard work for me, and let's just wait for a couple seconds and we'll see the results. And, okay. All right, there's a tie. Not super obvious.
Yeah, they're all, okay, yeah, that one was a lot more manageable to see, okay.
Cool. Hold on. I know.
But wait.
This is a video,
and wait, hold on. Is that tie actually matching the shadow from the blazer down here or the suit jacket down here?
So,
No, dude, that's insane.
There we go.
Okay, that's insane.
Yay!
That is so freaking cool.
See, with the click of a single button, the result is being applied to the entire sequence. And look, this is not just motion tracking. Look at the color and the shading of the tie. It actually changes with the light. So, see, when this man walks into the sunlight, brightens up, and he walks into the shadow, he
So I guess it's using the highlight and shadow data, or like the luminance data from the actual video to apply the same effects as the subjects walking through the different lighting situations. That is insane.
automatically darkens itself. Everything with just one
That
click.
is absolutely wild.
Thanks.
And it looks natural too. Like,
All
what?
right, I got one last example to show you guys. You guys ready?
One more. Okay.
Yeah. Okay, cool. Have you ever thought of showing off a different latte art design? Let's give this cup a makeover. You can see this one is a pretty tricky case. Look at the liquid surface. It's actually moving and warping. And
There's
and
no
shifting
way
in
it can
random
do this.
shapes. But with that
Because
being said,
with the
let's see
liquid,
how
it's
fast we
constantly
handle this.
changing. Like, there's
To
no.
save some time,
Is it gonna, like, mimic
I pre-generated
the,
results backstage? Now I can simply just import them. And
Oh, wait.
There is a mask, and underneath the mask, there is your new pattern. Now, without further ado, let's fast fill. Yeah, this is amazing, right?
That's insane. That's actually insane. So you can import different, like, shapes,
Right.
logos,
Look how
graphics,
perfectly
whatever you want.
This new pattern follows the motion of the liquid surface. All right, there are
You know what? I could see like advertising agencies using something like this to, like, have some stock footage of people wearing shirts that a company wants to have their own brand on. And they could just, import that company's logo a million different times across different videos and different stock footage that shows different people wearing those logos, even though it might just be a blank t-shirt. Like, this is going to be insane for advertising and just videos. And this is going to be nuts.
generative AI can already assist you with image creation and manipulation. Now you can do the same on videos. Thank you.
Is there, please don't tell me that there's anything more. Okay. So yeah, y'all, that just like blew my mind. That is absolutely insane. Now, my question to you all is how do you think this is going to impact video editing going forward? Do you think it's going to help us, or do you think it's sort of kind of maybe hinder creativity, or better yet, all these people out there that spent years, if not decades of their life, teaching themselves After Effects or any other kind of compositing, rotoscoping, all that stuff, those skills with something like this here might not necessarily be something you could put on a resume. Like, yeah, there's always going to be something that you have to do the old way because this new AI stuff, it's brand new, it's in its infancy. But in the next 5, 10, 20 years, stuff like this, it very well might replace those old skill sets that everybody put down on resumes. Like, hey, not everybody can do After Effects work. Hey, not everybody can do animation work. But now it's, oh, how did I make this? Oh, yeah, I just put a prompt in Chat GPT and it pumped out a video for me. Yeah, pay me $1 million a year. You know what I mean? So, like, this is very cool as a tool to help get things done, but it also really lowers that barrier of entry. And I'm grateful for that. But again, as I just said a second ago, though, those people that put all those years of hard work into perfecting their craft, well, they might not be so happy with this. But for the folks, what do y'all think? Sign up in the comments below, and I will catch you guys and gals next time.